Hello everyone, this video is the continuation of our restaurant POS system series, and in this video we will add our cash payment method, okay, and another one is to create a invoice. Okay, so after successful order we have to generate an invoice. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, go to your order model, and here we have to create two more attributes, that is payment method and payment data. Okay, now go to your build.js, and here we have to pass the payment data as well and payment method. Okay, so just follow me. We have to wrap everything inside if else. So if payment method is online, then we have to use our razorpay payment gateway. Okay, and if the payment method is cash, then at the counter cashier verify that payment is done or not. Okay, and just click on place order, then order will be placed. Okay, so just copy the above code and paste here inside our else block and remove this payment data from here. Okay, so this is done. Now let's create our invoice. So first of all, you can see that I have created a show invoice and set show invoice use state, and create one folder invoice in your component and an invoice component. Okay, I will provide this code in the description, so just copy paste it. It is not that tough. I have created an invoice component here and taking two data, order info and set show invoice, and I will show you where I call this invoice component. Okay, this is handle print, and here I am using window.print feature to print the content. Okay, this is the invoice model, and this is header, this is the thank you message. Okay, and this is order details. Okay, this is item summary, this is bill summary, and this is the payment detail. Okay, here we have to display the order ID, okay, that we displayed in our order card. Okay, so just copy from that and paste it here. Okay, just copy this and paste here. Okay, now in the payment detail, here we have to write like if the payment method is online, then we have to display the payment data, otherwise just display the payment method, that is cash. Okay, okay, so this is done, and this is the buttons, print receipt and the close button. Now let's go to our build.js, and here just write this so invoice. If so invoice is true, then we have to display the invoice and pass the order info and set so invoice state. Okay, so I think we are done with it. Now let's test it. Okay, so we got an error here, so let's fix it. Oh sorry, here we have to write order info. Okay, Okay, now let's test it again. Now you can see that our invoice is created here. Okay, this is the payment data. Now if you click on print receipt, then this is the order receipt, okay, which you can print. So that's all for this video, and this is the last video of this series. If you want to add more features, just add it, because this is just a minimalistic POS system. You can add as many as features you want. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I hope you like this series. Please subscribe and share with your friends. Okay, so thank you.